Let's learn about food. At the restaurant.
What would you like to eat, Sandy?
Have they got any Italian food?
Yes, they have. They have got pasta and pizza.
Hi, what would you like?
I like pizza. Have you got margarita pizza?
Yes, we have.
Great! Can I have a margarita pizza, please?
Sure, how about you, madam?
I don't like Italian food. Have you got any other food?
Yes, we have Japanese, Thai, Indian and English.
Oh, I like Indian food a lot. Have you got chicken curry and rice?
Yes, we do.
I don't like Indian or Italian, but I love Japanese. What Japanese food have you got?
We have noodles, sushi and Japanese curry.
Yummy! Can I have sushi and noodles, please?
Yes, you can.
What is English food?
We have fish and chips, meat pies, and sandwiches.
I don't like sandwiches, but I like fish and chips. Can I have fish and chips, please?
Sure. And what would you like to drink? We have milkshakes, cola, and water.
Milkshake, please!
Thank you.
Thanks!
Thank you.